all of them all the tasks like the same way you just do them. So this is how you can do it. So this is how you can create your task. At the top right corner here you can see this new node option. Just simply tap on the new node, then you have to get untitled node, and then you have to add a tag. So for example, you have to add a title node. Let me show you. Just add a node or something like that. Then you can add tasks right here, and even you can edit to straight from here if you wish to. Click on the trigger icon, then you can paste style from here. If you want, you can also change the color. Also, you can upload an image if you wish to. Let me make the background to that. This looks much more perfect. And like image to this one. Okay. So this is how you can edit them. Then you can choose whether full width or not. If you want, you can create full width. If you wish to. So this is pretty much it. Now you have to enter the task, and you can also backlinks from here, and you can also find more references, etc. For example, you have to whole description, for example, these type of things. Then on this case, you can even link backlinks. Just have to paste the link here, and then you can also browse an image if you wish to. Just have to choose an image, and you have to open it up, then you have to tap on the turn. Then whenever we click this tag, they will be redirected to this image, or the image will be open, you can say. And here you can see some options, discuss icon, and the things as I just showed you earlier on this video, daily yours, etc. So you just have to go around it, and here you can click a new node as I told you, and etc. So that's it. And if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to know more about Amplenote, let me know in the comment section. That too, I will make a further more described video on Amplenote for you. So let me know in that comment sections. And that was pretty much it about Amplenote. So you can also log out, or you can change your channel or central public profile, etc. Like for example, sports center, you can choose your creativity, your niche, etc. You just have to tap on the start go, and then you're good to go. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, do not forget to channel. Till then, take care. See you on another video. Keep watching our videos. We're gonna make more interesting videos for you guys. Hope see you soon on another video. And as always, goodbye and keep exploring.